Gold and the dollar often move opposite, but it's not a guaranteed seesaw. The biggest myth is thinking a falling dollar automatically means rising gold. Every time. Yes, you'll often see an inverse relationship on short-term charts, but it's not a rule you can trade like a light switch. Small dollar dips don't always create clean, tradable gold moves. And even if spot gold rises, physical bars don't track spot perfectly because buying and selling costs exist. Different gold products also behave differently once premiums and spreads hit. Gold can react to the dollar because gold is priced in US dollars worldwide. If the dollar weakens, gold can look cheaper to buyers using euros or yen, which can boost demand and push the US dollar gold price higher. But foreign exchange and gold can still diverge for long stretches, so a weaker dollar is not a guarantee. And if you're buying physical gold, spot price is only the start. Premiums and the bid-ask spread are real costs that can erase the move. What usually matters more than the dollar is real yields, meaning interest rates after inflation, because they set gold's opportunity cost. When real yields rise, holding gold can look less attractive, even if the dollar is soft, and inflation expectations can flip the relationship fast. During market stress, a stress bid can send gold up even with a stronger dollar, while risk on rallies can sink gold even if the dollar falls. Add premium spikes and wide spreads, and a paper gain can disappear in real-world selling. Before you answer this question, you have to define what the dollar means. Many people mean DXY, the dollar index, which measures the dollar against a basket of currencies, not your grocery bill. Others mean domestic purchasing power, which is inflation, not foreign exchange. You can also look at bilateral moves like USD versus the euro or yen, and those can tell a different story. Gold can rise during a strong USD, so match your charts to the same units and ask what risk you're hedging. A practical way to use this is as a checklist, not a prediction tool. Start by checking the dollar index direction, then confirm what real rates are doing, because that's often the stronger driver. If your goal is a hedge, physical bars tend to behave more like straightforward exposure than collectible coins, but you still need to budget for the trading spread. For retirement accounts, prefer a direct rollover to avoid mistakes and withholding, and set limits so gold stays a hedge, not your whole portfolio. A weaker dollar can help gold, but real yields and investor stress often matter more. The Smart Investor shows you the real dollar cost of owning gold, spreads, premiums, and gold RA fees, so you can compare options for your exact situation in about 3 minutes. Free. Links in the description.